Hello viewers, wherever you are watching us from, welcome back to our channel. Today we shall be talking about how to make much money in goat farming just with 1 acre land. We will not rush. As usual, we shall go slowly but steadily till we reach there. Let's start. If you only have 1 acre of land, you might think goat farming won't make you much money. Maybe you've even seen other farmers struggling and you're wondering if it's worth trying. But the truth is, 1 acre is more than enough to build a profitable goat farming business if you use it the right way. The problem is not the land, the problem is how the land is used. Most farmers make a big mistake. They allow their goats to move freely and depend only on natural grass. At first it looks easy and cheap, but in reality it limits your income. The goats don't get enough nutrition, they grow slowly, and you can only keep a few animals on your land. If you want to make serious money, you need to farm differently. You need to farm smart. First, let's talk about mindset. This is where everything begins. If you treat goat farming as a small side activity, it will only give you small results. But if you treat it like a business, it can change your income completely. Even with 1 acre, you can build something powerful. You have to start thinking like a business owner. That means planning, controlling costs, and focusing on profit. Now let's move to one of the most important strategies that will change everything for you. This is the zero grazing system. Instead of letting your goats roam everywhere, you keep them in one place and bring food to them. This might sound like more work, but it actually gives you more control and better results. When goats move around too much, they waste energy. They also eat whatever they find, which is not always nutritious. But when you control their feeding, you give them exactly what they need to grow faster and stay healthy. With zero grazing, you can keep many more goats on a small piece of land. On just 1 acre, you can raise between 30 and even 60 goats if you manage things properly. Now imagine the difference. Instead of 10 or 20 goats, you have a full herd producing income. To make this system work, you need to plan how you use your land. You don't need a big area for the goat house. About 10 to 15% of your land is enough. The rest of your land should be used for growing feed. This is where your real profit comes from. Feed is the biggest cost in goat farming. Many farmers fail because they spend too much money buying feed. But you can avoid this by growing your own. Let's talk about the best types of feed you can grow. Napier grass is one of the best options. It grows very fast, produces a lot of biomass, and goats love it. You can harvest it multiple times in a year, but Napier grass alone is not enough. Goats also need protein to grow well. That's why you should plant protein-rich shrubs like Caliandra and Lucina. These help your goats gain weight faster and improve reproduction. You can also grow maize or sorghum and make silage. Silage is preserved feed that you can store and use during dry seasons when grass is scarce. When you have enough feed all year round, your goats will never lose weight and your business will remain stable. Now let's talk about choosing the right goats. If your goal is to make money quickly, meat goats are a good choice. Breeds like Boer crosses and Kalahari red crosses grow fast and are in high demand. If you want regular daily income, dairy goats can be a better option. Breeds like Toggenburg, Saanen and Alpine produce milk that you can sell every day. However, for many farmers, the best approach is crossbreeding. When you cross local goats with exotic breeds, you get animals that are both strong and productive. They can survive local conditions and still grow well. Strong goats are very important. If your goats get sick often, you will lose money. Healthy goats mean fewer losses and better profits. Now let's talk about where the real money is made in goat farming. Most people think the money is in selling goats for meat. Yes, that brings income, but the real money is in breeding. A healthy female goat can give birth to twins, and sometimes even more. In 14 months, one goat can produce 4 or 5 kids. If you have 20 goats, you can quickly grow your herd to 60 or more within 14 months. This is how your business expands. You should keep one strong and healthy buck for breeding. Make sure your goats are well fed and properly managed so they can reproduce efficiently. As your herd grows, you will reach a point where you don't need to buy goats anymore. Your farm will produce its own stock. At that point, your costs go down and your profits go up. Another smart way to increase your income is to create multiple income streams. Don't depend on only one source of money. You can sell goats for meat. You can also sell breeding goats at higher prices because other farmers are always looking for good breeds. If you have dairy goats, you can sell milk regularly. Milk gives you daily income, which helps with cash flow. Goat manure is also very valuable. Crop farmers are always looking for organic fertilizer. You can sell manure or use it on your own farm to improve soil fertility. If you produce extra fodder, you can even sell it to other farmers. When you combine all these income streams, your 1 acre becomes a complete agribusiness. Now let's talk about housing. Your goats need a proper place to stay. A good goat house does not have to be expensive, but it must be well designed. Build a raised structure with a slatted floor. This allows waste to fall through, keeping the area clean and dry. Make sure there is good ventilation. Fresh air is important to prevent diseases. You should also divide the house into sections. Keep young goats separate from adults. Keep pregnant goats in a calm and safe area. Keep the bucks separate to control breeding. Good housing improves health, and healthy goats grow faster. Now let's focus on management. This is where many farmers fail. Even with good breeds and good feed, poor management can destroy your business. You must vaccinate your goats regularly to prevent diseases. You should also deworm them every few months. Clean the goat house often to maintain hygiene. Always provide clean water. Water is just as important as feed. And one of the most important things is record keeping. Write down how many goats you have, how many are born, how many are sold, and how many die. This helps you track your progress and make better decisions. Now let's talk about money. If you start with about 20 goats and each goat produces around 4 kids in 14 months, you can have about 80 kids in the 14 months. If you sell each goat at a good price, you can make several million shillings in a year. And remember, your herd continues to grow. This means your income can increase every year if you manage things well. Finally, let's talk about growth. In your first year, focus on building your herd. Don't rush to sell everything. In your second year, start selling some goats, especially the males. By your third year, you can expand your herd to 40 or even 60 goats and significantly increase your income. Growth takes patience, but it is worth it. So as you can see, 1 acre of land is not small. It is full of opportunity. The difference between success and failure in goat farming is not land size. It is strategy, consistency, and management. If you focus on feeding, breeding, and proper care, your goat farm can become a steady and profitable business. Start small, stay consistent, keep improving, and step by step you will build something that truly changes your life. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video. Also click the video on the screen now to learn more about goats.